Now in this lesson, we are going to see how you can create the Canva account. Just go to www.canva.com. Now you can create a free account. You also have the plans right here in which you can subscribe for pro version, enterprise, education, and non-for-profits. So right now we are just sign up for free account. So here's the option, sign up for free. Let's click on it. And if you frequently use Google, you can sign up from Google, or you can continue with Facebook. So I'll continue with Google. In here, it is going to ask you the ID and password. Let's mention our ID, click next. The password, next. Most of the times it's already saved in your account. For verification, it will send you a verification code sometimes. So here we have pasted our verification code. And that's it. So once you sign up for the account, they will ask your preference. What will you be using Canva for? For personal use, large companies, teachers, small business, or student, or nonprofit or charity. For now, I'll select small business. Any team name, you can write your team name. You can invite some other team members and click on create team. So that way, whatever you design, it can be shared between your team members as well. So they're giving the message of try Canva Pro for free. I can try this for free for 30 days as well. And what will I get in this? 100 million premium photos, videos, and elements, 3,000 premium fonts, 610,000 premium templates. So if you're working professionally as a designer, you must subscribe for it. Stay organized, extra folders of 100 GB storage they are giving, and you can cancel anytime. So you can start the free trial as well, but I'll click on maybe later. And this is your brand new account of Canva. Now let's learn about the plans. If I go in plans and pricing, you can click on it directly, or you can just browse it. If I click on compare pricing, I will get all the details right here. Free version is totally free, but you will get 250,000 free templates, 100 plus design types, and 5 GB of cloud storage. And you can invite your team members and stuff. But this has very limited functions. If you want to use some stock photos, stock templates, stock designs basically. But if you are a designer and you are using completely for your own designs and you have the picture collection and icons collection, you don't need to subscribe for the pro version. But for pro version, it comes with a lot of facilities, like you already have the scheduled social media content to 8 platforms. You can resize indefinitely by magic resizer. Some additional tools are there. The color schemes, logos, fonts options are great, and it has the pricing of $54.99 per year, and it can be used for up to 5 people. So that is great. If you talk about per month charges, it's only $6.49, so you can subscribe for that as well. So if we talk about the difference, it is huge. Once we get started with it, you will feel that difference, that a lot of posts, a lot of templates, a lot of icons, shapes are available just in the pro version. So only the basic templates are available in the free version. So the major difference you can say is in this area. In this version, the free version, you are getting 100 plus design types. And in the pro version, you are getting 100 million premium stock photos, videos, and audio and graphics. Similarly, if we talk about the templates, 610,000 plus premium and free templates are available. So if you're a designer, and even if you're a marketer that is using the Canva to design their regular post or marketing post on Facebook, then I recommend you to definitely go for pro version. It has a lot of features. So for this training, there is no harm to go with the free version, because you can always upgrade later on, and the most of the functions that we will be discussing is available in the free version as well, because the functionality will remain the same, right? So this is the basic difference between the pro version and the free version in Canva.